In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can edit the Math AutoCorrect options that you may be using whenever you are inserting equations in Excel. So whenever to insert equation in Excel, go to the Insert tab, go to the far right, and then click on Equation, where you will see some default options or the option to insert a new equation or just write something yourself. In this example, I'm going to insert a new equation. I'm going to change the font size to be 50 so just to kind of see it a bit better. And one of the cool features about having equation in Excel is there are keyboard shortcuts that you can use that kind of auto-correct to different math symbols. So for example, like /pi, auto-corrects to that pi, /lowercase pi, auto-corrects to that pi, and /omega defaults to the omega sign. However, you can actually edit this or turn this off if you want to. To do this, go to File, all the way down to Options, and then from here, you're going to want to click on Proofing, where you're going to want to see a box listed Autocorrect Options. Click on Autocorrect Options, and then from here, you're going to click on Math AutoCorrect. The cool thing about this is, one, you can see all of the options that are available, which, as you can see, there are a bunch of them. You can also edit your own. So you can, for example, say circle, or you can search for them and just have this, I don't know, be circle, for example. Obviously, you might do something different, but, or even do it like that, like so. Or you can even have this turned on and turn off, so that way, whenever this box is not there, you can just type it normally. For example, /pi is just pi with the box unchecked. However, go back to File, Options, Proofing, Autocorrect Options, and then Math AutoCorrect, and turn it back on. The autocorrect options will work again. That's it. I hope you found this very helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.